Bonsai is really an art form. It's using nature, a living tree, as a sculptor would use clay, as a painter would use paints. Living plant to act as the art medium to sculpt and shape in the way the artist intends. The wonderful thing about using something like this, it's that it continues to grow. It's almost like the paint for the painter or the clay for the sculptor continues to show up, and it has to be moved around continually, year to year, and maybe even month to month, in order to continue to be true to the vision that the sculptor wants to render in the art. This, again, is a perfect example of what we're talking about, where it wants to put on the regular growth that it would in the landscape, and it's a long, fast-growing stem, and that's not what we want. We want these older, thicker diameter trunks to form, the more stubby growth to form. And so what I'm doing is getting in here and finding those long stems, as I just showed you, that are a year's worth of growth, and all of a sudden, you know, they pop up inside here, and we have to go back and say, nope, that's not really what we want. We don't want that quick, rapid growth. We want it to stay stunted. We want it to stay dwarf, because it is, for all intents and purposes, truly a dwarfed growth. Here I have another one. This is really gone and taken off, and it's growing right across that little canopy there, and that's not what we want. It's a long stringy piece going through the middle of that canopy here is just not the look we're going for. So I am going back to the source here, where it comes off that main stem, and trimming it off. Now I can use that if I change my mind and I say, oh, okay, I want to take this in a new direction. I want to say I want to fill in a section. I can certainly take those and train them to go where I need them to go. All right, time to take a step back again.